All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a lead magnet into a viral mailer. Okay, this is the lead magnet that we're going to add. Now the next thing that we will need is an email. Okay, now this is the email that we're going to use for the viral mailer. Now this particular email is two emails, okay? And each email has several um, subject lines, okay? These are the subject lines. They have several subject lines. It is important that you have multiple subject lines so that your email can come across as being new and fresh. You don't want it to be stale. Okay, so this is the email here. All right. Here, this is the URL. It is important that you have a tracker on all of your URLs. You need to know where the hits and the clicks are coming from. Very, very, very important. Now here, this is our second email. Okay, this is the second email. And same thing, we have our trackers here. Okay. Okay, so here we are, and this viral mailer. This is a new viral mailer, but this is the viral mailer in which we're going to post the email. So we come here and we click on Add Mail Center, and then okay, this is how we're going to send the email. Okay, now here the first thing we want to do, it has micros. Okay, so we want to collect the first name, and we hit copy, and we're going to paste that right there. Now we go and get our email. Okay, I'm going to send the first email. So I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to copy it, and then I am going to paste it right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the things that I do not want. Okay, so I'm going to take I'm going to cut, that's the URL. I'm going to put the URL right here. All right. Now, it says here I could send to 239, I have 239 credits. And then I could send to my downline for free. So this is what I'm going to do. So I get 239 credits. It's going to go out to 239 people that are a member of this site. It will also go to my downline, okay, those that have joined this mailer under me. So I'm going to go up here. Okay, I'm going to delete the things that I do not need. Okay, subject line. Now here, I'm going to go with this subject line. Well, I'm going to go this right here. This will be the subject line that I'm going to use. I'm going to cut, and I'm going to paste it, okay? And then I'm going to delete the things that I do not need. Okay, so it's very important that we check the email, make sure everything on here is correct. Check the email, make sure everything is correct. Okay, now for here, it says get instant access now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the credit link. Okay, so this is the credit link. So I'm going to copy the micro for the credit link, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to put the credit link right there. Okay, get instant access, do it now. All right. So it looks like everything is good. So now now I have two options. I could send this email now, or I could send it later. For this purpose, I'm going to send it now. So I'm going to click send. So it's going to go through this process. Okay, it says that my message has too many characters. So I need to go and decrease the characters. So the email is too large. So I'm going to have to delete some email. Okay, I'm going to go with this right here. I'm going to delete that. So my message was too large. I'm going to delete that. Okay, now let's see if it'll work. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, I'm going to click send, and it should go. Okay, the body message is still too long. Okay, so I have to go and make it even smaller. So I'm going to take that out. And then let's remove some of these black spaces. We're going to delete that. Delete that. We're making the email smaller. Okay. So now let's hit send. It should go through this time. It did. Okay. So this verifying the link. This is the URL. So I click confirm. And so the email is being sent. Now, I would like to show you how you can check to see if the email was, you can check how many clicks the email has received. Now here, this is the list of all of the emails that were sent out. Now, this is the first email. This is the email that we just sent out right here. Okay, so we just sent it out. So let's see if it's going to refresh right quick. So it's going to 239 members. Okay, and it's going to tell us how many. It's going to tell you how many it was sent to, clicks, and then it's going to give you the click-through rate. Okay, now you can also send this email again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on send again, and because I'm an upgraded member, I am able to send this email again. However, what I want to do is I want to send a different email. Okay, so I go and I delete that information, and then let's see here. I'm sent to 239 people. Okay, send to my dial line. Now, we did email number 1, so now I'm going to send email number 2. Send email number 2. Get this right here. Email number 2. And then we're going to put this right here. Get the URL. We're going to cut the URL. We're going to put it right here. Okay, that's the URL. All right. So it looks like everything is in good order. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use this subject line. I'll put it right here. Paste that in. Delete the information that I do not need. Okay, so this is the information that I do not need. Let's see here. All right. Okay, so we're going to get the credit link. Get this right here, the credit link. We're going to copy the credit link. Then we're going to put it right here. Okay. Put that right there. Paste it in. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now let's see. We got 239. We're going to send it to our downline. So let's click here. Okay, it needs to be 1,000 or less, so we still have too many characters in there. So I'm going to have to go back and remove some of the contents. So let's take that out. Let's take that out. Okay, now that should be it. Okay, so let's hit send again. Okay, it sent it. All right. So we hit confirm. There we go. Our message has been sent. Okay, so we want to check to make sure it was sent. We go to mailer right here and we go to sent mails. Okay, so we go to sent mails. All right, so this is the one. This is the second email that we sent right here. This is the second email. And then, so this is the first one. Because I'm an upgraded member, I'm able to send emails more frequently. Okay. Now, this site, it is free to join, but to get more, when you upgrade, you get more perks, you have more benefits or more privileges. But you can use this site as a free member. All right. Okay, this has been James Stevens and Uncle James. Thank you for viewing this video. Remember, success leaves clues. You must have a positive mental attitude. You must say, I can do this, I will do this. All things work together for my good. Everything that I touch prospers. These are examples of some good PMA, positive mental attitude. It is a must. Take care, and we'll see you later. And remember, we're going to live a good, long life. Good health, 120, 130 years of age, a good, long life. Y'all take care, and we'll see you in the next video.